Welcome to Raintech Software Limited. We are hiring new technological staff for Raintech Software Limited. In all over India and abroad, outside India also, Raintech Software is very famous now. And we are now planning to make the advanced technology for e-commerce platforms. There is some new innovations are there. It is now we kept it in a secret because we are making that one for for the next generation, next advanced technology that we are implementing now. In order to that, we need some technological staff. Like I will explain, we are hiring now new staff. Even I put advertisement in our OLX and newspaper as well. Like we need a technological staff for Android and iOS developers. It is not a basic staff. We need a highly advanced with APK building, and there is a live tracking facility, Google Map live tracking facility that is integrating in a special advanced technology that will help the people to deliver the home delivery products. And there is so many things are there in home delivery itself. For example, if I have a home delivery shop, for example, I am running a shop for home delivery. For example, I have 10 different salespersons, okay, delivery boys, not salesperson, delivery boys. How many orders I have per day? In the morning, when I am standing, when I am wake up and I am sitting in my shop, I want to see how many orders for me. Not in the paper, not in the numbers. I want to see in a Google map. It will locate where are my customers, from which are the locations they have ordered. With the location map, Google Map enabled mobile application we will give it to the customers. So whenever they are ordering, whenever they are making one order to you, the boss or who is sitting in who is running the business, he can see from which locations we receive the orders. And also the delivery boys are there for you. Each delivery boy, where they are running, you can see by live in your TV, in your homes, in your big screen, in your office. This is what I am planning to make. Also, each delivery, when you are finished the delivery, for example, the delivery boy go there and make the delivery, that from that Google map, that particular order will cut off. So in the end of the day, okay, keep the TV like that or keep the display like that, the big screen. And in the end of the day, I just walk it and I saw to the TV, and in the Google map, okay, there is another 30 or 35 orders is remaining to delivery. And where is my delivery man, delivery boy? I can see that. And also, each delivery boy, in what speed he is traveling, I will get the information in my home itself, for example, in my shop itself. This is what I am planning. This is I am planning to make for my customers. Also, the customer when they are placing the order from the mobile application, he can see where is my delivery boy right now, the way how he is traveling, so that the customer and the delivery boy, they can meet together very fastly. They can communicate very fastly. There is advanced features I am implementing in the mobile application for to make the home delivery very simple. And for example, the same thing, the boss, what he can see, the entire salesman delivery he can see, and each delivery person, he can see only how many delivery for him, for example 30 delivery for him, in which road he want to travel. He will get the exact road map also in the mobile application, so that he can very easily travel. He don't want to call to any customer. Directly he can reach to his home or his office or whatever. Or he can call the customer, okay, where you are now, you can There is a location sharing facility also I am planning to implement. So this is a part I explained to you. This is just a part. There is a huge things I want to do with mobile application and home delivery. This is, I have make a big sketch of a home delivery application, how it should be, how it should work, like that. No, not I make it. You customers give me a lot of ideas. This is the thing what I have, I am just sketching again and planning it. This is what I am doing. Now, come to the point. We are hiring new technological staff for Raintech Software Limited. This is to implement those ideas in practical. We will give good salary in the market, also in time. You can even my current staffs are also is watching this video maybe. I can assure that from the starting, from 2016 I started this company. From that day to this date, I never ever delay my staff salary. Each and every person, they are getting salary on first day of the month. Every month first. There is no delay, no hold, nothing. This is what I maintained so far. This how I maintain my staff. So I am in Kerala right now, and our office is in Kerala. In Kerala, there is a lot of people are there, experienced, skilled, technical, knowledgeable, advanced technology people are there. Welcome to Raintech. We can build, the next generation product with Raintech, and you can learn a lot of things from Raintech, and you can do a lot of contribution to Raintech. And I want to say to my upcoming candidates that you can learn so many things from Raintech. Means a lot of our customers are there to teach them, or myself, or maybe the customers will teach me and I will transfer to them. This is how they can learn the technology. There is a lot of technologies are there, because when the practical person is working on something, he can give the clear information. Whatever, it's clear. Who is working practically for any business or whatever it is, he will give the clear information. This is like should be like that, or it should be like this, it should be like that. This is the way. So we need to make advanced technology products, and I will give you the list of requirements for the candidates. Number 1, highly expert Android developer. Number 2, highly expert iOS developer. We need both Android as well as iOS. Number 3, Laravel developer, not normal PHP. Laravel should be there. And I am preferring for Android and iOS Ionic programs, because it is very easy to build both Android and iOS. That's the reason. And it depends. Okay, this is the thing. And the candidates should able to handle API system. There is API integrations are there for communicating from Android to our website to Android to payment gateways. This all coming through API. These integrations, this candidate should able to handle. And we have some current facilities there, but we need more and more advanced technology. That's the reason. If, for example, some candidates are available in Kerala, welcome. For ladies, we will give free of cost accommodation in women's hostel. There is very famous women's hostel is there. We can give it. For gents, if they are coming, we can give accommodation for in some apartments. Some apartments are available here for us. We will give the accommodation. Also, in the apartment, the gents, they will not get food. They need to take food from outside. Maybe they can prepare the food also. I think that we need to check it again. But for in the women's hostel, there is food also available. So even in the Kerala, if you are distance part, like if you are from some long distance in Kerala itself, you can come over here, there is no issues. Even if you are coming from out of state, in outside state, welcome. But you should be very experienced, very skilled and talented. Salary, not a matter for us. We can give a best salary in the industry, very best salary in the industry, and salary on time. This is what I can give, and we can give very good job assurance for you. No, because Indians customers, for Indian our customers, we need to give best product for our customers. So we are hiring best staff for Raintech software. So if your friends or if your relatives, if they are very skilled in technology, I saw some people in last week also, there is somebody is joined with me. They don't have even college degree, but the programming, the way they are doing the programming, it's fantastic. It's fantastic. How they are developing, how they are resolving the bugs, it's beautiful way. And when I am saying something, they are doing more advanced than that, more finishing on that. This is what some new generation people they are doing. They don't have, they did not go to BTech or MTech. They are doing it. But here I am again saying your degree, your college degree, it's not mandatory, my friend. Your talent is important. Welcome to Raintech store. Welcome to Raintech Software Limited. Well, Raintech store is our old firm. From Raintech store we make to Raintech Software Limited. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye.